Over the summer holidays, we have learned how to change brake pads and fully maintenance our bike. Rahi here has fully fixed his pinnacle, and we have learned how to
change the forks, put on a new chain, change the gears, and just learn different parts of the bike.
I drank this because I wanted to learn how to fix a bike, because I've never learned how to fix a bike before.
What are you planning to do with your bike when you've got one?
Ride it around, like ride it to school. Yeah.
And what's the best thing you've learned how to do?
Because I've never known how to fix a brake, so fixing a brake.
Drop.